Hey everyone, welcome back to the RecoveryFox AI channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover lost or deleted files from a USB flash drive. Whether your drive was accidentally formatted or files were deleted by mistake, this step-by-step guide has you covered. First, plug in your USB drive. Make sure it's recognized by Windows and appears with the drive letter in File Explorer. Then, launch RecoveryFox AI. On the main screen, select your USB drive from the list of available devices and the quick scan will start. The quick scan will just take a moment, and when it completes, the AI scan will start automatically. It may take longer but recovers more data. You can pause the scan at any time to review files that have already been found. You can browse the recoverable files and preview them. At last, select the files you want, click Recover, and choose a different destination. Never recover back to the same USB drive. That's all for recovering files from a USB flash drive. Thanks for watching.